There are deers and wolves all around it, huh? Daddy's getting towels, and then we can go to the kids section, okay? Let's go this way, bud. Yeah, it's okay. Great Wolf Lodge is actually more kid-directed than anticipated. Okay, follow Daddy. Great Wolf Lodge kids area. They're all having so much fun. Look at SpongeBob. Some of the slides are actually really fast, unanticipated. The corkscrew. Cabanas. The lazy river, nice and smooth all the way around the park. Yeah. Yeah. I want to see this thing go off. Look, watch. Great Wolf Lodge. Wait for it. The big open wash of the big tub of water that splashes onto everyone out in the middle of the Great Wolf Lodge. Wasn't it great? Yeah. The water park, I think, is the best part. And showers. Perfect.
Ready?
Hi.
Yeah, thank you. Did this is where you're paying for gold? Can. And you can, and it seems to be got gold in it.
There's an arcade, which is a lot of fun with a lot of different games.
Together, they went exploring in search of the great wolf geyser. They made their way through the spirit water forest, pushing through all the tree branches. And they crossed over the Oliver, Sam, and Winnie were brave enough to go on an adventure. She dipped her magic spoon into the
The one challenge on your wristband, you have the means to be able to charge it to your room, which is so dangerous, but also so nice. This is also your room key to get into your room. When you go to your room, you just tap your wolf paw onto your door and open it. Did you go on the splash pad?
Nope.
Did you go on the slides?
Nope.
Did you go in the water?
Nope.
Did you go on the lazy river?
Nope.
Did you go on the arcade?
Nope.
Did you go on the ropes course?
Nope.
Did you go on the golf cars?
Nope.
Did you drive a race car? What did you do? Did you walk around?
Nope.
Did you see a show?
Nope. I had so much fun here at Wolf Out, and I had so fun here.
Yeah.
That's the video I'm gonna do.
Whoa,
Do a somersault.
you can do a somersault.
Yeah, do
Whoa. Oh boy, be careful.
it. Yeah, it has to.
All right, let's see it.
Hold it up.